Hi beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will be sharing with you all an amazing hair care remedies that boost your hair growth and makes hair thick, strong, shiny, silky and lustrous. Before watching these remedies, if you are new to this channel then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's move to the remedy. First ingredient for this remedy we will need hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus also called as China rose. Take handful of hibiscus leaves, clean and wash them thoroughly. Put hibiscus leaves in a pan. Next we add hibiscus flower also called as China rose. We take handful of dry hibiscus flower here and add it into a pan. You can take fresh one also. Hibiscus is loaded with various beneficial ingredients that help to stop hair loss and prevent baldness, loaded with vitamin C, flavonoids, amino acids, mucilage fiber, and antioxidants. The extract of hibiscus leaves and flowers nourishes your hair, promotes hair growth, and provides a soft and silky texture. The next powerful ingredient we add is curry leaf. Here we take handful of dry curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in nutrients that can stimulate new hair growth and prevent hair loss. The beta-carotene and protein in curry leaves can help to strengthen the hair shaft, while iron and vitamins B and C can help to nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Next we add rice in this remedy. Take any type of rice. Here we take 2 spoons of rice. The use of rice water can promote hair growth and increase hair volume. Rice water can help reduce dandruff and promote a healthy scalp. Next we add most potent ingredient for hair, that is flaxseed. Add 2 spoons of flaxseed. Flaxseed is blessed with the goodness of antioxidants and other essential nutrients. It's known for being a hair-friendly ingredient. Not only does it prevent hair loss, but also ensures healthy growth. This ingredient can be the secret to long and lustrous hair. Add a cup of normal water into the pan and keep on a gas flame to cook the remedy. Make sure to keep the flame is on medium heat and stir in between to prevent burning. The water will start bubble and foam up. Keep stirring, and after few seconds the water and the ingredients slightly change in color, and the water will be a sticky or a gel-like formed. When the water is sticky, turn off the flame now, and remove from heat. Slightly cool down the mixture and immediate strain the substance with a strainer or a muslin cloth. We got a magical hair growth toner. But wait, we have to add one more potent ingredient, that is vitamin E oil. Add vitamin E oil or 2 vitamin E capsules in this remedy. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that fights off free radicals, preventing them from causing damage to hair follicles. It helps promote better blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that essential nutrients, oxygen, and hormones reach the hair follicles. This can stimulate hair growth and strengthen your hair. Mix all the ingredients well together and transfer the remedy into a clean bottle. How to apply this magical hair growth toner? Apply this toner in your hair roots to tip. Keep it on for 30 to 45 minutes and rinse it off with mild shampoo. Let's move to the next remedy. We prepare magical remedy, that is hair growth mask. We are preparing this remedy from toner's leftover residual. Put this residual in a blender. Add 1½ spoon curd or yogurt in this mixture. Curd is a natural conditioner for hair, being rich in minerals such as calcium, protein and fatty acids. It makes the hair soft and strengthens the hair follicles. It also consists of vitamin B12, which helps promote hair growth. We are grind this mixture into a fine paste. We transfer this paste into a clean bowl. Add one more ingredient, that is carrier oil in this remedy. You can add olive oil, coconut oil and almond oil too. Here we add coconut oil. Add 1 spoon coconut oil into it. Mix all the ingredients well combined, and here our magical hair growth mask is ready now. Apply this magical hair growth mask using a brush or a fingertips. Cover your hair with a plastic wrap or a shower cap. Leave this hair mask on your hair for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse it off with mild shampoo. So, do try these hair growth remedies and share your valuable experience with us in comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel DIY Nature's Glory for more herbal and natural remedies.